first elimination of night 5 is Maurice S. from Time to Wind Down. Our second elimination is Scott Iron Man by We Will Take It. Our next elimination is Vince W. from Fine Wine. Our next thing is John by Rhinos R Us. Our next elimination is Darren from Pickled Moose. Next is Brenda, Librarian Lushes. Our next elimination is Dana Horn from Zin It to Win It. Next person is Amanda Field by the AC Ladies. Our next elimination is Jan Gibson from Age to Perfection. Next is Christy Proventure by Winos. Okay. Our next elimination is Cecile Long from AC Ladies. Our next elimination is Becky Wolf from Wolfpack. Our next elimination is Michelle Skelton from You Had Me at Morlat. Next elimination is Lynette Zapp 2 Wine Winners. Our next elimination is Mike Saul from Sip Sip Tyrannosaurus. Next we have Magda Goss by F Cancer. Our next elimination is Doug Wolf from the Wolf Pack. Next is by Dawn Crowfoot Cruisers. Our next elimination is Masaki Hayashi from Time to Wind Down. Our next elimination is Judy and Jordan from the Googert family. Our next elimination is Andrea Enders from We Will Take It. Now we eliminate Carly Dyes Sour Grapes. Our next elimination is Erin from Rosé All Day. Next we have Janelle Pell's Willie. Great minds drink alike. Our next elimination is Kim Dawson from Varsity Vines. What? Okay. Now we have Heather Kinghorn by Great Minds Drink Alike. Okay, so we
These are the final two.
Okay, our second final elimination of the night is Stephanie Grant from Polska 1. And the last elimination of the night is Shannon Wold, Fine Wine. That concludes night 5. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. We will see you tomorrow on night 6.